Hello students, in this video you are going to learn briefly about the human excretory system. Please like and subscribe the video and watch the upcoming videos for further knowledge. Excretory system in humans. The human excretory system is also called urinary system or renal system. It consists of two kidneys, two ureters, one bladder, and one urethra. The two kidneys are principal excretory organs in humans. Students, just keep in mind that other organs also remove or excrete the waste products from our body. The important waste products formed in living systems are carbon dioxide, nitrogenous products like urea, uric acid. By the breakdown of proteins they are formed, and also some salts, and excessive water should be removed from our body. All these waste products, carbon dioxide, water, ammonia, urea, uric acid and salts are to be removed from the body. Lungs remove the waste product carbon dioxide and also water vapor to a considerable extent. Kidneys remove the nitrogenous waste products ammonia, urea and uric acid. Kidneys also remove excessive amount of water and salts. Some amount of nitrogenous waste products and salts are also removed through the skin by way of sweat. Therefore, in general, excretion may be defined as the process of removal of waste products which are formed as a result of cellular metabolism. However, in higher animals like vertebrates or human beings, excretion particularly refers to the removal of waste products of protein metabolism. Therefore, we are studying here renal system as the excretory system. Hope now you are having clear idea of excretory system. Now coming back to the discussion. Each kidney consists of millions of functional units called nephrons. Kidneys remove the nitrogenous waste products in the form of urea, that is urine. Urine is formed in the kidney through filtration of blood. Parts of urinary system. Urinary system consists of following parts: the right and left kidneys, the right and left ureter. Ureters are nothing but tube-like structures. They are the ducts of the kidney. Next, the bladder, which is the reservoir for urine, a bag-like structure which reserves or store urine. The last one is urethra, the passage from the bladder to the outside. In this picture, you can clearly see the human urinary system or renal system, which consists of two kidneys, two ureters, one bladder and one urethra, as already we have discussed. The kidneys are bean-shaped structures that are located just behind the vertebral column in the abdomen. They are just below the liver. Above each kidney is located the adrenal gland. Here in the picture you can see that yellow patches on the kidney. They are nothing but the endocrine glands. From each kidney arises a ureter which passes down and opens into the urinary bladder. So these tube-like structures are ureters. They connect kidney to the bladder. The urinary bladder is a bag-like structure which collects and stores the urine formed in the kidneys. The urinary bladder opens to the exterior through a tube called urethra.